Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5 Racing. Me and Owen are out in Johnson Valley, California. We are taking a look at the XTF Pre-Runner Truck kit today. We actually have a whole booth at the King of the Hammers event. So there's a couple of these trucks out here, but we snuck away for a little while to rip around in the desert. And this truck's fantastic. So we kind of wanted to give you guys a rundown of what you get in the kit. This is for your 2015 to 2020 donor F-150s. The Super Crew Cab with the short bed configuration is what's compatible with this kit. And this kit does really give you a lot for the price. So you get your full tube steel chassis that's welded in-house at Factory 5. You get all of our suspension parts, including Fox shocks. Now on this truck, we went out with Fox and Ocotillo and tuned these so that they're perfectly matched for the XTF. And there's so much customization available, so you can definitely do that as well if you build this kit. So with that frame, you get all of our tubular arms, our trailing arms, and all the mounts you need to get everything together. You get all your hardware. You also get all these body panels. Now, this is a really wide truck. It's about 90 inches wide. It's about as wide as a Hummer, so this is the real deal. You have options for tube steel bumper, a street bumper, and along with these body panels, you have the option for carbon fiber body, which is really a great look. I promise it is under all this mud and dust. We just like using this truck, so we're gonna leave it dirty. So really everything that you need is included in the kit. You get great travel. In that rear suspension, you get 20 inches of travel. In the front, you get 16, and you maintain your four-wheel drive. So for some of the stuff we're doing out here, you definitely need it. In the soft sand, trying to come up these hills, the four-wheel drive helps a lot. This truck is the 5.0 Coyote. We fitted this with a Magnuson supercharger. So the extra power helps, but you can also use the 3.5 liter V6. So there's a lot of different configuration options as far as your XTF goes. We're running around with the guys here at the King of the Hammers event. People love seeing the truck. I mean, it draws attention everywhere it goes because it's just so different. And it performs great. Also in this interior, we did some custom work with Ian Johnson on Build for Off-Road. So he has a custom cage in there with some Simpson seats. So not only does it look good, it's comfortable to drive in. We also have our optional spare tire carrier in there. So that's an option you can order with the kit. You get 2 spare tire mounts and 2 jerry can mounts, along with a jack mount. So that's great for, you know, if you want to go for a little bit longer ride. We also have a towing package. So not really going to be much towing with this, but it is the option for you guys who want to do it. There's also a couple options like a rear sway bar as well. So if you want to take this out in the street after you go out ripping in the desert all day, totally an option. So as of right now, this kit starts at $24,990. That's a great price for what you're getting. And again, it's everything that you need. All you got to find is your F-150 of your choice, whether it's a Lariat or an XLT or the King Ranch. I mean, you could totally set this up to do exactly what you want it to. So we're going to keep ripping around here. We'll keep you guys updated, but believe me, this thing goes above and beyond what you expect for a build-it-yourself pre-runner kit.